Oh yeah. Definitely broke some stuff last night. Lots of rain, lots of wind. You guys probably can't hear me very well, but I'm finally getting my dogs out here to use the bathroom. It's been raining all night. Trees are down, limbs are down. It's nothing too crazy. I'm sure you really can't hear me, so I'm just gonna talk to you when I get in the house and I'll show you guys the area. That's a sidewalk. That's not there anymore. There it is. So there's one tree down there, one tree down blocking the roadway, fence is down over there. It's gotten a little rowdy. Yep, nothing too major. Couple trees down, limbs. Hey! Stop rolling around in the grass. Oh, hell no. So, you remember I told you guys that lock floods? There it is. Dalton lives over here. He went and stayed with his grandparents, so if you're watching this, bro, I'm sure you'll see it when you come home. I doubt they'll clean it up by then, but yep, it floods pretty well. The Camaro is still in one piece, but looks like it's ripped the tarp. Oh yeah, ripped it right off. Yeah, it's a little wet in there. Be alright. Subaru's doing good, looks good. Awesome. See, no water on this side of the garage. So we changed our mind and we decided to go for a little ride. Got Jennifer with us. We're gonna go check on the camper to see if the camper's okay. And up here at the corner, somebody like fell into the corner of the road. I'll show you, hold on. Look at her.
Oh, good. Camper's still in one piece. Didn't flip over.
Didn't blow away. Thank you. Heck yeah. What is up, guys? The last time you saw me, there was a vehicle in a ditch covered in water, but now we're in the garage and I'm hanging out with Dalton. We drove around, me and my girlfriend, we looked at like all the hurricane damage and it was really entertaining and a lot of fun, but now we're hanging out. And of course I didn't film any of that, so you guys get to see this part. Anyways, we're doing valve springs in Dalton's motor, and Dalton's got a little tool in his hand. This is the $20 Napa tool. Right, Napa?
No, it was actually like Amazon.
Amazon. It's
Yeah.
an Amazon valve spring removal tool. Well, it expects you to remove it with your hands.
That's
here.
right. It's still hot.
So we welded a nut on it, if you guys couldn't tell.
We decided that it wasn't productive enough, So
not productive at all.
and I was like, Travis, I wish we could just put a nut on the end of this. And he was like, but wait, I can weld.
Let's just weld it on there. So I'm going to turn the camera around so I can show you. If you guys can't tell the difference there, here's the old valve spring, here's the new valve spring. These are from Texas Speed, right? Texas Speed Performance?
Yeah, those are from Texas Speed, which they go out with packs. So those are technically pack springs.
But it's an entire kit that he purchased.
Yeah.
He purchased the cam, valve springs, and
The
push
seal,
rods.
all that stuff's in my box.
Where is it? Oh, here you go. There's the cam.
The seals are on the
He's
bottom
got
of my
seals. See? Dalton should be filming this, not me.
box. Yeah.
Got a front main seal. He's got the actual timing gasket seal, and I'm assuming, what are these, for your water pump?
Yeah.
What are they? Is that what they're for?
Mhm.
Something. Water pump? I don't know. I could be wrong. That's what I'm guessing, because the water pump bolts on the front of the motor, like
Yes,
so.
you're correct. They go right here. See? Uno, dos.
1 and 2, if you speak English. So that is that, guys. I don't have my little stand. I guess I have to go over to my house and grab the little stand and do a little time lapse. But we're going to attempt to change all of these valve springs. Quote unquote attempt.
No, we are doing it. We didn't just do this for nothing.
We are doing it.
Yeah.
Is that an awkward size?
It's an 18, but it's like, it's rattles.
Probably a 3/4.
Yeah, but I don't like using standard.
Slowly but surely,
It is working.
it is working.
Okay, this came.
Dalton is lubing his cam. He's gonna throw her in there. That doesn't make any sense to throw the rod inside the hole and say her.
Yeah.
No, renegade. Sit. Sit. What are you doing?
Get in your hole where you belong. She's in.
That's the quickest she's ever got.
It's been a couple days since we've last checked in. The last time we were in here, we were messing with the passenger side of the motor, putting those valve springs in, as you guys saw. Dalton ended up getting called into work, and I haven't been feeling too good, so I took the night off last night. I didn't mess with it, and Dalton came over here and finished up the passenger side head, installing those valve springs. You guys saw the cam going in there, so I'm just going to go ahead and upload this video as the Hurricane Irma stuff / 5.3, more of the 5.3 update. It's kind of just hit or miss, and we're trying to do what we can. In the meantime, I'm going to be working on my door, sanding this thing down, because I'm really trying to get it into paint like this week or next week. I know I've been saying it over and over and over again. It's just, I had to be an adult and, you know, make sure my bills were paid and make sure everything was taken care of before I moved in, and making sure I had the money, and not being being without a job for like a month or so. I just had to make sure that I had the money to maintain a living. So with that being said, yeah, you guys will see the motor again. He got a new shifter, a short shifter for his T56. There's a couple odds and ends. I'll definitely make that its own video the next time we get to wrenching on it. So thank you for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning viewer, please hit that like button. I really, really appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video.